Commercial Avenue, Monterey TN. Nice. Commercial Avenue, Monterey, Tennessee Railroad crossing. Yeah, this one has never seen a train since 2021. This is the last signalized railroad crossing on the entire Nashville and Eastern. I'm not sure why it's so modern. It got this installment in like 2018. And it was yeah, besides Safe-Tran base, Siemens gate mechanism. Or I want to put the walk actually. Raco walk. Free pairs of Safe-Tran 12x24s with Safe-Tran light clips. And what is your problem? And a Safe-Tran / Siemens e-bell. I like to preferably call them Siemens e-bells since there's already two types of Safe-Tran e-bells. But it's your choice. Anyway, second signal. Safe-Tran base. Siemens gate mechanism. A pair of 12x24-inch Safe-Tran lights with a Safe-Tran light clip and a Safe-Tran / Siemens e-bell. Alright, I forgot to show this off, but here's the crossing information for the first signal. Now let's move on to the next signal. Final signal. Safe-Tran base. Siemens gate mechanism of A. Okay, so we're never gonna know what that walk is. Crossing information: Safe-Tran 12x24-inch lights of a Safe-Tran light clip and a Siemens e-bell. Well, Safe-Tran / Siemens e-bell. There's Commercial Avenue, Monterey, Tennessee Railroad crossing. The last signalized railroad crossing on the Nashville and Eastern. Well, I guess subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Actually, hang on a minute. Nice.